This video is going to show you how to make Thanksgiving stuffed noodles. And you're going to need 2 cups of turkey chopped up, a cup of mashed potatoes, 4 cups of stuffing, and the big shell noodles. I already boiled them, and you lay them on wax paper so they'll cool off so you can stuff them. And you just cook these 10 minutes. Just boil them for 10 minutes and then strain them and put them on wax paper so they'll cool. So first, chopped up 2 cups of turkey. Then we need 1 cup mashed potatoes. Okay. And then 4 cups of stuffing. The reason why I call these Thanksgiving stuffed noodles is because you know how after Thanksgiving you have a bunch of turkey and stuffing and leftovers? Well, this is what you do with your leftovers the day after Thanksgiving. You make stuffed shells. And all you do is mix all this together. We're going to stuff our shells with it. Then we're going to put 2 cans of turkey gravy on it and a can of cream of celery and a can of water. Mix all that up. First, we'll mix all this up and stuff our shells. And then we're going to put them in a casserole dish. Probably a 9 by 13 casserole dish will work for this. That is just 1 box of stuffed shells. Okay, we are preheating our oven at 350. We're just going to take one of our shells, put some of our stuffing, mashed potatoes, and turkey in it, and just roll it up. Stick it right in the pan. That's all you do is just stuff it with the filling a little bit. Just like that, and then roll it up, stick it in the pan. We're going to do that for all of them. Put the stuffing in there, just enough to fill it. You don't want it overflowing. And then you just pinch it shut, and then lay it down. We're going to do that for all of them. Okay, once you get all your shells filled, then you dump your 1 can of condensed cream celery, 1 can of water. I mixed it up in here. We're just going to dump it out all over the noodles. That is condensed cream of celery soup and a can of water mixed with it. This is a can of turkey gravy. You can make your own, or these are 10.5 ounce cans. Put that over top of it. And I always put my casserole dish on a cookie sheet just in case it boils over, so you don't have to clean the oven. Then once you get all that on there, then you're going to cover with aluminum foil and bake it for 40 minutes on 350. Our stuffed shells have just come out of the oven. And this is how they look inside. See all the mashed potatoes and stuffing and chicken inside there? I cooked them on 350 for 40 minutes and then checked them and left them in for another 15 minutes. Now they're all done. Hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving stuffed big shell noodles. So enjoy your Thanksgiving jumbo stuffed shells and like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.